Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Judy. I am going to be showing you a Thanksgiving table escape this week. I am very excited about this. I feel like this is my favorite table escape I have done so far. It's going to be very earthy, a little bit of greenery in there. I also have some silver. So I hope you enjoy, and let's get to it. I also would be mentioning to you where I got some of these items. A lot of them are very affordable, and I tried to go to stores where you be able to find these items right now, because I purchased most of these things this week or a couple of days ago. So you would be able to find these things, and a lot of the things are very affordable, and I hope you go out there if you find it interesting. I'd love to mention that this video is also with collaboration with my lovely friend here on YouTube, Natty's Life For Real. She has an amazing channel of home decor. Her purpose of this channel is to bring comfort and style to your homes. Her and her husband have a really amazing eye for decor and how a home should look. Please make sure you go subscribe and like her videos. I would have her link down below in the description box and also in the comments. These dinner plates and the salad plates are just regular cheap IKEA plates. I bought them in a set and I had them. And some of these black salad bowls that I have are these are home essentials. They were from TJ Maxx for, what's the price on there? For $3.99. And these are Martha Stewart bowls. These were a little more expensive, $6. And I got two of them because I would be using these ones at the head of the table. And then I have this placemats also. These were also TJ Maxx. I believe they were $12.99. I threw away the tag, so I'm not sure. But you would definitely be finding these. And then the table runner is a burlap. I have a cutting board on here, little cake stand, and also, this is very exciting. This is my bowl of succulents, very RH inspired. I love these things. I use it all over the house, and today we're gonna be using it in the dining table. I feel like it gives it a little bit of character. So let's get to it and see what we come up with. Alright, so we would start by putting the placemats in each seating. We can also go without the placemats, honestly. I liked it both ways, with this and without it. And these chargers were also from Home Goods, I believe. $12.99 also, but not sure. They had these. They had plenty of choices. You know how Home Goods is sometimes, so you might find it or you might find something even better. Actually, this was $7.99. I lied. So we'll put this in each place setting all around. So for this specific settings, these are the napkins I'll be using. They kind of like go with my chair. They had the cream, a little bit of black because I'm using black bowls. So this we lay on here, and then we put our regular dinner plate on top of it. This can also go on top of here and put the little salad plate on top, but I want it to go under. And then our salad plate, and top it off with our bowl. This is how it looks. I think I like the napkin on here actually. This is the beauty of setting up a table. You can switch it up and do whatever you like, whatever works for you. And for this one, also white dinner plate. Our salad plate, and this time we use the black bowl on top. color scheme. The fact that it's very like neutral. And again, at the head of the table, I used the 2 white ones. You can also match it and do all black bowls. I do like the black like dinnerware for some reason. I'm obsessed with it right now. I also have dinner plates and I love this. So head of table gets the white ones. Now to silverware. We put our knives, of course, on the right side. Two forks. So I have 2 forks on here. My regular fork in the middle, another fork. Get the big one and then the small one. Make sure the knife goes on the right side of you. One more. Now I'm kind of spread out my candles. So I put the apples out here. Apples for me are very full, so it'll look good. Since I'm not showing you food, I just didn't want to leave the board out here by itself, so I think it kind of gives us some character. The other cute item that I found at TJ Maxx was this velvet pumpkin. It's kind of green. It's tiny. I thought it was adorable. Your dinner guests can also keep this as keepsake, or you could reuse it for another holiday. I decided to put it inside the bowl just like that. Same here. And they were $4.99 each. I think that's so cute. Makes it very elegant. It's not too colorful. I love the color. I think it went with all the whole table escape that I was going with. Right, the next step will be putting the wine glasses. Putting one right on your knife. These were also from Home Goods. Not sure of the price. I had these for a while. And next we would also be putting a champagne glass on here. Then the next one will be the champagne glass. I love these champagne glasses. They're skinny and like really tall. They're so pretty. Right, right, and we will be putting the spoon on top, right in front of your plate, just like that. So dinner plate, I put my napkin next, my small salad plate, the black bowl, and then this pretty pumpkin right on top. We have our knife on the right side, 2 forks, your spoon at the head, a wine glass, and a champagne glass. Voila! And this is one big item that I forgot to mention. This is a huge turkey that I found at Home Goods for $39.99. It's huge. I thought it brought the bay window area. It gave it a lot of character. I didn't want to overdo it, so this was the perfect piece. Big enough that it doesn't need any extra jazz. Like I said, that was $39.99, and I feel like I'll get a good use out of it year after year. And now I can show you my console table. The actual table is a magnolia table. I love this thing. It's huge. I love this thing so much. I have my driftwood here. I also use this all over the house. It depends what I'm styling and decorating. So I have that. I have 2 lamps here that have marble base. They work, and the artwork, the color really goes with everything here as well. And then I have 2 coffee table books. One is the Vogue, and then the other one is President Barack Obama's book. And I also found this basket recently, and I love these things. And I'm still eyeing to find another one, or maybe 2 more to go under my table here. And this is it, voila! Alright, and these candle holders were from Target. 3 of them were $25 as a set. The champagne glasses were from Home Goods. If I haven't mentioned that to you, I'm not sure what the price is, but they always have wine and champagne glasses. And to set the mood, we could light the candles and eat our delicious food while we think of all the things we're grateful for this year. Although this has been one crazy year, I'm sure we still find things to be very grateful about. So I lit up the candles so you could pop your champagne, your wine, your non-alcoholic beverage, whatever you're into, and celebrate your family Thanksgiving or your Friendsgiving. Thank you so much again for coming back to my channel. If you're new, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I'd love to have you back. Thank you so much. Enjoy your Thanksgiving.